folks. Welcome to Economic Observations. My name is Chris. Today is the 25th of July. Thank you so much for watching. Today's video is sponsored by the Tanzania School Foundation, a nonprofit near and dear to my heart. Today we're going to discuss the Robinhood IPO. I think it is an IPO that investors should steer clear away. It is going to debut on Thursday, and the company is offering a third of its shares to their retail investors. Yep, just the average Joe. Usually, Wall Street suits, institutional investors, and hedge funds get first dibs, but Robinhood wants to issue the 30% of their $35 billion valuation to average retail investors. And that might sound really appealing to people. Usually they take their roadshow on the road. They take their prospectus, a member of the sales team within the company. They go out and meet the investors to answer any questions and discuss their valuation, how they got there, and their plans for growth in the future. I believe that since Robinhood did not do that, they had a very eclectic roadshow, which we will discuss momentarily, but they will not get the institutional interest that's needed for the $35 billion valuation. I believe the Robinhood IPO will go into the failed IPO category along with Peloton, Uber, and Lyft from 2019. And we all know that WeWork had a valuation of $45 billion, and well, they never went public because they had a lot of problems. Robinhood has a lot of problems too. They have been fined from FINRA, the SEC. There are thousands of lawsuits against them, and there are multiple attorney generals looking into their trading practices. So there are a lot of problems with Robinhood, and it is a company that people should just stay away from. Look at Coinbase. Just in April, it was priced at $381. Today, it's trading in the 220s. We know these IPOs are only out to get the CEOs or the people who started these fly-by-night companies to get rich. Robinhood's confetti and emoji faces when you buy and trade don't encourage investing. They encourage day trading. It is like a game that people are playing with real money. It's like going to the casino. They encourage people to trade often. People are looking at their phones 100, 200, 300 times a day. And you pair that with Wall Street bets, and it is an addictive person's nightmare. There's going to be a big fallout from this. The SEC, FINRA, all these lawsuits, attorney generals, buyer beware. So the eclectic roadshow that Robinhood had on a Saturday, just yesterday, was a bit different than a traditional company's IPO. They had a video that was open to anyone who had interest in learning more about Robinhood, and people got to submit questions prior to their Q&A, and they got to choose what questions they wanted to answer. And some of the questions they answered were just totally bizarre. The first question that I found really bizarre was, what is your favorite planet? And Vlad's answer was Pluto. That was it. Pluto is his favorite planet. What the heck does that have to do with the price of Robinhood's IPO? I'll never know. Someone asked, do you plan on having customer service hotline where people can call in with a problem? And their answer was, we already have that. But we all know that they don't have that. And people can't call in. And emails take forever to get a reply. It was a strange roadshow. And just based on that alone, buyer beware. It doesn't have the valuation. It just doesn't have it. So they are trying to push this through We know that there's not a lot of staff at Robinhood because there is no customer service. I'm going to put a link below to an article that a 27-year-old California guy wrote. It was his experience with Robinhood and how he lost all his money, started drinking, thought about suicide. It really it crushed his life, and he wanted to write this article as a warning to other people. So anyway, read it below. It's Business Insider. But yeah, it was really telling how they get you in, and it's like going to a casino. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something today. As always, I appreciate you. We will talk again real soon, and have a lovely evening.